ignorance, so does light remove darkness. To mark this momentous occasion, we begin with a sacred tradition, the lighting of lamp. I invite our esteemed dignitaries to please join us in lighting the lamp of knowledge.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, VC sir. Please present the token of gratitude. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
सारी दुनिया ते चले मेरा नानी गल्लां हुंदियां ने किलो थां थानी तैनू सोने च मिला दिया सारी वे मेरे नाल यारी नी ये गल पक्की जट मौजां करदा जट मौजां करदा रब ने खोड़ कोई ना रखी जट मौजां करदा रब ने खोड़ कोई ना रखी रग रग में जोश की बूंदे बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे बुना सपनों के तूफानों को बुना सपनों की उड़ानों को बुना सपनों के निशानों को आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां वो जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां तेरी हर दुआ
Please join your hands together.
Now the title, The Potential Benefits of Using Non-Gaussian Resource in Quantum Teleportation. Dr. Arpita Chatterjee, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics.
69 में जब ये इंस्टीट्यूट स्टार्ट हुआ होगा, शायद ये चीज़ हमारे पॉलिसी मेकर्स ने तब देखी होगी और ये इंस्टीट्यूट उसी मॉडल पे जिसकी हम आज बात कर रहे हैं एस्टेब्लिश हुआ है. ये इंस्टीट्यूट शायद देश का पहला इंस्टीट्यूट है जो इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में खुला हुआ है. उसका मकसद यही था, उसका मोटिव यही था कि ये इंडस्ट्री से कनेक्ट हो सके, इंडस्ट्री की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सके, इंडस्ट्री की रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से ह्यूमन रिसोर्स और इंजीनियर्स पैदा कर सके. शायद यही उसका मकसद था, वो हम देखते भी हैं सदा. इस इंस्टीट्यूट के निकले हुए लोग, अधिकतर लोग, और मैं कहूँगा मोस्ट मेजॉरिटी में जितने भी लोग हैं वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में उन लोगों ने अपने अपने मुकाम हासिल किए हैं और देश में ही नहीं विदेशों में भी वो भारत का परचम लहरा रहे हैं.
When I look back, I still have vivid memories of this institution. In its initial stages, the basic engineering lessons of punctuality, dedication and focus on work is what we learnt here. Even a 1 minute delay would cause the loss of attendance, and mind you that 90% attendance were mandatory at that time. You must spend your time here in learning and excelling in whatever you do, and learn you must. As Mahatma Gandhi said, and I quote, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. So my dear young friends, college education means taking a little more responsibility and ownership of your own life. The decisions you take today will shape your life. I also urge the faculty members to help these young students, young minds in developing the learning culture here. Communication, oratory skill and positive attitude is what are the most important traits for success today.
Sukhdev Singh ji joined in the 4th batch and I was fortunate to join in the 12th batch. That is what the journey started. This is being my first alma mater, definitely is the first love also. And I always see to it that yes, whatever capacity, whatever the capability that God has blessed me, I should be always using that to uplift the standard, brand and the credibility of this institution in any fashion, because that will remain. Though I have got another 3 membership of alumni association which are equally good, but being first love, it will remain so, and it is going to be always dear to my heart. Today is really a joyous occasion for all of us when we are gathered here to celebrate our past. Definitely we will be reflecting on the present, and definitely we will be reimagining our future.
The celebration of the foundation day of this historical or the great institute, on behalf of the university, I express my gratitude to Honorable R.K. Maudgil ji, Professor R.K. Maudgil, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Amartya University, Rajkot, Gujarat. The distinguished guest of the day, Sardar Sukhdev ji, the President, YMCA MOC, and a very renowned and respectable industrialist of the area, for sparing their valuable time, for their contribution. They have the emotions for the institute. They have spent their young days. They have developed their lifelong relationship. They have spent their golden days here in this campus. So they are probably the best person to invite on this special occasion. Thank you very much, sir, for sparing your valuable time and to bless the university, students and all of us.